This cemetery reveals features of the Baroque style. His tombstones are works of art. Rose towers can be seen from often, ruining Ubigaya city.
Located on Avenida Major José Rodrigues de Moraes, it is a building at the beginning of the 20th century, inaugurated in 1903. The cemetery reveals a characteristic of the Baroque style, has been titled through works of art, whose towers can be seen from afar when you see the city.
In the eyes of internationally renowned Pernambuco poet João Cabral de Melo Neto, the architectural complex of the cemetery is compared to city of Constantinople. Translated in the poem Cemitério Pernambucano, Floresta do Navio.